For the bird dog row, you're going to use a bench in order to increase the stability needed for your row. You'll want to choose a weight slightly lower than what you would row normally. You'll set yourself up on the bench with your non-working hand on the bench and the opposite leg on the bench. So right hand and left knee. You'll then, with a nice flat back and engaged core, lift up your right leg in order to move into a bird dog-like position. The left arm, your working arm, is going to hold the dumbbell hanging by your side. Maintaining that strong bird dog position, you are then going to row the dumbbell up towards your hip, engaging through your back and driving your elbow up high. You'll then, with control, lower that dumbbell back down to the starting position. Try to maintain steady shoulders and steady hips by really engaging through your core for the entirety of this exercise. You're going to complete all the reps on one side before switching to the other.